Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to measure the screen of a curved monitor. This method also works well with screens with deep bezels that might get in the way of standard measuring. You will need a roll of masking tape, a measuring tape, and a pencil or pen. Before attempting the process shown in this video, apply a small piece of the masking tape to the screen, leaving a portion loose to pull the tape off. Verify that the tape can be easily removed from the screen and will leave no hard-to-remove residue. The marks left by the tape you see here can be easily removed with a screen cleaner and a microfiber cloth. To measure the screen, begin applying the masking tape along the bottom or top edge of your curved screen, leaving a little extra tape hanging off the side you started. Continue applying the tape along the horizontal edge, taking care to keep the tape straight and without bumps. When you get to the opposite side of the screen, tear the tape with a little extra off the edge. Next, using a fingernail or the edge of a credit card, crease and seal the tape tight against the bezel. Then, carefully mark the crease with a pen or pencil. Do the same for the other side. After both ends of the tape have been marked, carefully peel off the tape. Take care not to tear the piece and keep it pulled tight enough to prevent it from getting tangled. Hold the tape taut and apply it to a desk or table, ensuring that the piece is attached straight and without kinks or bumps. Now use a tape measure to measure the distance between the inside edge of your marks. We strongly recommend starting at the 1-inch line if you're using inches. If you're using metric, start at the 10 centimeters line as shown here. This will ensure a more accurate measurement. It is helpful to use another piece of tape to hold down the loose end of the tape measure after lining it up. With the tape measure in place, find the line on the tape measure closest to the inside edge of your second mark. Be sure to subtract the initial amount of overhang on the tape measure if you did not start at 0. Repeat the process for the height. The measurements shown in this video are exact to the screen. When you order a screen protector from Fotodon, we will cut the protector to be slightly smaller than the screen. This will allow for an easier installation. If you want us to cut your screen protector to your measurements without this reduction, be sure to select the exact option when ordering your custom cut screen protector. See you next time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel.